Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, let me introduce myself. I am Tasya Aqilah from 1LA, State of Polytechnic of Sriwijaya, majoring in Electrical Engineering. Okay, in this video, I want to make a presentation. I will tell you about electrical measuring instrument. Electrical measuring instruments. So, what is an electrical measuring instrument? Electrical instruments are instruments that use the mechanical movement of electromagnetic matter to measure voltage, power, and current. Classification of electrical instruments. I will tell you some of measuring instruments used in electrical engineering area. The first is voltmeter. A voltmeter is used to measure voltage. The proper name for voltage is potential difference, but most people prefer to say voltage. This is the circuit symbol of voltmeter. There are two types of voltmeter. The first is digital voltmeter. Digital voltmeters can measure the alternating current and direct current voltage, and it displays the result in converted digital form with decimal point and polarity. The second is electrostatic voltmeter. These voltmeters are instruments that can accurately measure the voltage without any charge transfer. This is voltmeter. The second is ammeter. An ammeter is an instrument which is used to measure the electric current in amperes in a branch of an electric circuit. There are two types of ammeter. The first is moving iron ammeter. In a moving iron, ammeter can measure the alternating current and direct current. It has an iron piece instead of the spring and pointer system of the galvanometer. The second type is zero-center ammeter. Zero-center ammeters are used where the voltage needs to be monitored in two directions, and they are used along with a battery. This is ammeter, and this is the circuit symbol of ammeter. The third is galvanometer. A galvanometer is a very sensitive meter which is used to measure tiny currents, usually 1 milliampere or less. A galvanometer can read direct current flow. The magnetic field created as current flows through a coil X on a spring, which will move the needle indicator. This is galvanometer, and this is the circuit symbol of galvanometer. For the fourth is ohmmeter. An ohmmeter is an instrument that is used to measure the resistance, and it can measure the value of resistance accurately. According to their measurement and construction, these instruments are classified into the series type and shunt type ohmmeter. This is ohmmeter, and this is circuit symbol of ohmmeter. The fifth is oscilloscope. An oscilloscope is an instrument that graphically displays electrical signals and shows how those signals change over time. Engineers use oscilloscope to measure electrical phenomena and quickly test, verify, and debug their circuit designs. The primary function of an oscilloscope is to measure voltage waves. Those waves are displayed on a graph that can tell you many things about a signal. Okay, this is oscilloscope. On the right side, there is circuit symbol of oscilloscope. Thank you. Okay, I think enough for the presentation. I'm sorry if I have any mistake. For Allah forgive me. Thus I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.